So guys, let me show you how to add mobile phone screen while editing your video on Capcut. You click on new project, select the video you want to use, click on add. The next thing I want to do is to bring up my mobile phone screen template. Now for some people, you might already have the template on your Capcut app already. All you have to do is to scroll to where you see stickers, click on stickers, then you scroll these up icons here. You will see one that looks like a mobile phone or a laptop, something like that. Then you start searching the stickers one after the other and you're going to see the mobile phone template. But for me, I have already done that. I searched all of the stickers one after the other and I did not find that mobile phone template. I really don't know why mine is like that, although I don't know if that feature is meant for only people that are using Capcut Pro. So what I did is I went to my Google Chrome browser, searched for mobile phone screen template, searched for the free ones, the ones I can use without getting a copyright wahala. Then I downloaded it to my mobile phone, which is what we are going to be using in this video. So the next thing I want to do is to click on overlay, add overlay. So I'm going to select my mobile phone screen and click on add. Now, as you can see, this is the one I downloaded from my Google browser. Now, I want to edit this. As you can see, it's showing white inside and it's covering the main video, which is what I don't want. So if you're using the Capcut Pro version, you can easily remove background. But if you're not, let me show you what you're going to do to remove this white background that is showing in there. Now, you click on the picture. Then you scroll these icons that are down here. You see remove BG. You click on it. Now you see if you're using Capcut Pro, you can automatically remove that white background. But since we are not using that, you click on chroma key. Drag it a little bit. And that is it. It has removed that white background. Our video is now visible. Now you want to increase the size of the phone screen so that it will be the size of your video. Okay, that is enough. Now the next thing you want to do is to drag this your overlay till the end of the video. Let it be the same length with the video. So I have increased the length of the phone screen. Now as you can see, the video is a bit bigger than the phone screen, which we are going to adjust it now. Now you click on your main video, you scroll to where you see mask, you click on it. You click on rectangle. Okay, you now drag it till it fits into the phone screen. Okay, drag it. Okay, we have done that. Now for some people, you can just easily adjust the corners, let it be round. But since I can't click on that up there, you click on adjust. You scroll a little, you're going to see round corners. You click on it. Now you make the corners of your videos round so that it's going to fit into the phone screen, and that is all. Now you click on OK. Guys, let's play this video so that you see. I muted the sound of this video. So guys, as you can see, our video is properly placed in the phone screen. Now this is how to add Android phone screen to your videos while editing on Capcut. Feel free to leave me a comment below, give this video a like, and also join this community by hitting the subscribe button. And guys, you don't want to miss out on more updates. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Guys, my next video, I'm going to be talking about how to change backgrounds on your video. Like this one, we are seeing a totally black background. I'm going to teach you guys how to change your video backgrounds.